Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
Whenever you see a number and there's two bars, there's one line on the left, one line on the right, like this also, you see a number and two bars, like a line and a line, we call that absolute value. So remember, we call that what? Absolute value. So this is how you're going to read this. Absolute value of negative 25. An absolute value of any number is positive that number. So if it's a negative, like this one, absolute value of negative 25 is positive 25. If it's already positive, like I said, absolute value of anything is positive that thing or that number. So absolute value of positive 10 is what? Positive 10. So just remember, absolute value of any number is positive that number. And that's it. I hope you got this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.